Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to change your avatar in Heartopia. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about changing your face, hair, and skin tone. To do this, you want to head into town and look for the clothing shop. Looks like this. You want to go inside and make your way upstairs. Up here, you'll find a vanity mirror. You want to interact with it, and this is where the magic happens. Inside the vanity menu, you can change your hairstyle, skin color, your eyebrows, and even remove or add face decorations. Take your time and adjust everything until you're happy with your character's appearance. And once you're done, just go ahead and click purchase to confirm the changes. Next is changing your outfit. To do this, you want to open your menu. And from here, just click dress up. Here you can swap out your tops, bottoms, socks, shoes, jumpsuits, and even headgear or hats. This lets you completely change your character style whenever you want. Keep in mind, if you don't see the dress up option yet, that means it's still locked. Just continue progressing through the main quests and it will unlock naturally. That's it. That's how you can change your avatar in Heartopia from your face and hair to your full outfit. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!